Okay, I just got this question from one of my viewers, and the question was, Loy, is it okay to lie on a resume? All right, I thought I'd answer this question. In fact, I'm sure you can twist the question around and say, Loy, have you ever lied on a resume, or have you lied? Okay, in anything. Now, let's understand this much. Why does a person tell lies in anything? Be it a resume, be it when speaking to someone or communicating, or why does a child tell a parent lies? Okay, it's a very simple human behavior. We lie when we know telling the truth is painful, or there is a price to pay, or the result is going to be too hard for us to tolerate. And telling a lie gives a lot more benefit. Now, you can absolutely say that that is what fraudsters do, that is what scammers do, that is what people who want to take advantage, they do. Okay? But at the same time, this is also a strategy done by people who don't have the stamina or the courage to lose anything anymore. Like, for example, let me ask you a very simple thing. Let's say someone's marriage is going to break off and he's trying to save that marriage. And the wife says, did you have sex with this person? If he says yes, suppose he did it, and the marriage breaks up. Do you think it's wise for him to say yes, or deny it and say no, and at least for that time being, try to save the relationship? Let's say a small child has cancer and the child is going to die. The doctor said the child is going to die, and the child doesn't know what the doctor said. The child asks the mother, Mummy, am I going to die? What do you think? The mother is going to, yeah, listen, you're going to die, don't keep fucking hope. No, the mother will say, no Baba, you everything will be okay. In fact we tell lies to ourselves, and we hope that that lie can become a truth. You believe that, oh, I will succeed. No matter what, I will succeed. Even though the reality is that you're not successful. So, the first point that I'm trying to tell you is, we human beings lie for a lot of reasons. But the main fundamental principle is, when telling the truth is very painful. Like the child knows mom or dad will slap him or beat him or her, and the child doesn't want to endure that pain. Yes, you can say that, yeah, if you do something wrong, you have to pay the price. But then again, who's perfect, man? Which one among us is perfect? Tell me, are you perfect? Nobody is perfect. Okay. Now, even with me, I have told lies on my resume. I have told lies to my customers. I have told lies. I have bullshitted here and there. And why have I told that? I've told that to survive. I've told that to sustain. I've told that because I don't get guaranteed fucking salary end of the month. But after getting the contract, or after getting the client by telling lies, then you can't lie, right? Then you have to deliver. Then you have to give the truth. Otherwise, there's a bigger price to pay. So, where do you have to lie? You should lie. You should tell a lie where, by telling the lie, it will not only benefit you, it will benefit that person as well. Then it is okay. But if you tell a lie that only benefits you but harms the other person, then there you should not lie. I'll give an example. Let's say, I get people who inquire. Hey doggies, everyone's running. I get people who inquire about law. I want a fake degree certificate. No, I don't entertain such requests at all. Even if I knew the person who is doing that, I will not introduce them. Okay? There are people who say, Loy, I'm a medical doctor. I want to lie about these things. No. There I do not. I absolutely do not. Because you're dealing with someone's life. But let's say a sales guy. A sales guy, he wants to get a job. He was average in his job. But he wants to mention, oh, I was very good in my profile. Fine, that lie is bearable. Because that is something he can work on and improve. Okay? and it doesn't cost someone's life. Obviously, if he doesn't perform, he'll be thrown out. So there are areas where you can and should lie, okay, in order to stand out. Like for example, you're applying for a job. There are 10 people applying for the job. 9 of them are telling lies and telling, oh, I give 100%, I give 150%, I give 120%. So if everyone's lying there and you tell, yeah, I achieved 80% of my target, I mean, you look like a loser, because the employer will think, even if you're telling the truth, the employer will think, this guy must have, everyone's bullshitting and they're saying 100, 120, this guy is saying 80, maybe he actually achieved 40. Then what do you do? So in answer to the question, when should you lie, or should you lie on the CV? You should lie on the CV if you can carry that lie, if you can deliver that lie. Let's say, for example, you have never been a manager, but you mentioned that I can manage people. If you can deliver that, if you can carry that, fine. Like for example, me, I was never offered any leadership role when I was young. Never. And I always wanted to be a leader. Always. So I bullshitted once that I managed 2 or 3 people in a team. This is early on in my career. And lo and behold, I was given 7 people to manage. It was daunting. I was afraid, but I didn't show it. But guess what? Lo and behold, I had a very strange and unique style of being very relaxed and chilled out. I ended up being the best leader. I was controversial, but the loyalty I got from people was incredible. And very soon they increased it to 17 people. From 7, the team increased to 17. So I was never given a chance to prove myself, but I did. So there it's good. However, where it's bad, I'll tell you where I made a mistake. It's me, nobody else. In sales, in banking sales, I was at an average, I used to achieve in Citibank 21 cards, 21. I had no interest in selling credit cards. But after I resigned from Citibank, I wanted another job, so I joined American Express those days. So there I bullshitted saying that I was the topper. I was the topper and asked to sell the highest number of cards. So when I joined the bank, instead of giving me the standard target of 21 cards, they gave me 40, 45, or I think the highest. And I realized, fuck, I'm jacked. I mean, how am I supposed to achieve when I can't achieve 21 customers? In order to get 21 customers, you have to get at least 50 new customers. From there, half of that get approved. So in order to achieve like 50, you have to get 100. And as it is, I was struggling with 21. So you should know where to lie and how much to lie. Okay? The afterthought that I want to give you is, see, we don't live in a perfect world. It's very easy to point fingers. Oh, you're lying. Oh, you're telling bullshit. Tell me, are you a fucking saint? Are you the epitome of honesty and purity? You have never told any fucking lie in your life. You have never had any impure thoughts. Like for example, Bill Clinton was caught having an affair with Monica Lewinsky. Oh fuck, what a shame. Oh shit, this is so bad. Yeah, as if you guys have never fucking masturbated, as if you guys never watched fucking porn, as if you never had secret affairs. What the fuck are you guys talking? Why are you acting like a fucking saint? You're not perfect yourself. Why the fuck are you trying to portray, oh, what the fuck he did and all? That's why I hate this hypocrisy, especially religious people. They act like, oh, I'm so holy, oh, I'm so pure. Fuck you, man. Nobody is fucking perfect. So all I want to tell you is, see, if you want to lie on your resume, there are levels to it, and there are terms and conditions. Like I told you, if it is something related to medical, if it is something related to legal, if it is something related to the government, never fucking lie, because you will be put behind bars. And especially if you're in the West, please do not lie, because you'll be called out on it and your reputation will be destroyed. If in the Middle East, there are also levels to how you can bullshit, because remember, if you bullshit at a higher level and you get caught, They can even press legal charges on you. So be careful, especially if it's a multinational company. If it's a government, never fucking lie. Never, never, never. Don't apply for a government if you're going to bullshit and lie. Okay? Multinational companies always verify. Okay? However, small lies like you praising yourself, I'm determined, I have leadership skills, I am a thought person, thought leader, and achieved 100% and 47% of the revenue and 3 billion and 4 million. That all you can bullshit, because if you bullshit those numbers, you'll be asked to prove it. Like even engineering, you bullshit that I know AutoCAD very well. The owner will take your test, they'll get fucked. So, like I told you, bullshit on something which you can carry it. You can't deliver it, don't fucking lie about it. Otherwise, you'll get jacked. And last, if not the least, this is what I want to conclude with. Understand this much. We all human beings, we are all imperfect. We all have our skeletons in the closet. We all bullshit and tell lies. Okay? So, keep that in mind. Life is not fair. There are no rules. And it's only made a big deal when you're caught. So if you're smart, if you're sharp, if you have common sense, you know that nobody is going to get hurt. You're sure about it. And even if you do get caught, there are no legal repercussions, or you'll not get fucked in the process. And you're doing it for genuine reasons without hurting and harming anyone, then go ahead and do it. But if you can't carry it, or you're not sure about it, or you can get into serious trouble, or it can cost someone a whole lot more, better not to lie. Like I always tell, when in doubt, leave it out. That's the best saying. Or take advice from someone who is really knowledgeable in the subject, and that will help you. So I hope this answers your question. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Alright guys, this is me signing off. You guys take care.